Google is expected to launch the Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL early next week, but a new leak suggests the company could unveil a third smartphone called the Ultra Pixel on October 4. YouTuber Aaron Maney, better known as Merhuzathibos on YouTube, received a leaked slide that allegedly come from a Google presentation. The slide shows the words Ultra Pixel, made by Google alongside the image of the device, flaunting a bezel-less display. This is for the first time we're hearing about the Ultra Pixel smartphone, which according to rumors will be directly pitted against the Apple iPhone X. According to Maney, Google Ultra Pixel will feature a dual camera setup and a new kind of fingerprint scanner. Though it's not clear if the fingerprint scanner will be embedded underneath the display. Maney's source claims the Ultra Pixel may not come with Android signature navigation buttons, notably the back, home, and multitasking buttons. Instead, the Ultra Pixel will introduce an all-new fluid gestures to navigate around the Android mobile OS. The concept appears to be no different from what we saw on the Apple iPhone X, which uses several swiping gestures to take advantage of the edge-to-edge display. In another slide, we see a screenshot of 3 different smartphones, namely the Pixel 2, Pixel 2 XL and Ultra Pixel. It seems that Google plans to introduce a new feature that's coming to the Pixel launcher. It goes without saying that we should take these leaked slides with a pinch of salt until some information about the Ultra Pixel lands. Google has scheduled an event on October 4 in San Francisco, where it is likely to launch the Pixel 2, Pixel 2 XL, Pixel Book, and a Home Mini. We will certainly learn more about Google's new smartphones on the launch day itself.